In this meditation, we'll work with sexual energy and use that energy for nourishing your body. And you can work with any amount of sexual energy, as little or as much as you would like. Just make sure that it's appropriate for the place you're in right now. Alright, so make sure you are in a comfortable position with a long spine, seated or lying down. And soften your eyes, the muscles in your face. And you can close down the eyes if you want, or have a soft gaze. And bring your attention to your breath. Breathe a couple of times with your full awareness on your breath. Just notice how your breath is moving right now. You don't need to change anything. On every inhale, you can feel your body expand. And on the every exhale, you feel your body sink a little bit deeper into the earth beneath you. On the inhale, expand, and on the exhale, sink a little bit deeper. Now I invite you to imagine a golden circle of light surrounding you. And this golden circle of light indicates that this is a sacred space, a ritual space, a loving space in which you'll have time for you to explore, to be curious, to be with your inner world. Let all of you arrive here. Your physical body, your thoughts, your emotions and feelings, your energy, your consciousness. Let all of you be here in this circle. So start to generate sexual energy, and you can do this by using fantasy or by touching your body in a pleasurable way. And I'll let you do that for 1 or 2 minutes. And so you create turn on in your body. And this could be any amount of turn on that feels good for you or what is happening for you right now. So this could be a little bit, a tiny bit of turn on. And this could be a lot. But just make sure that you do not climax if you have a lot of sexual energy. So you really keep the sexual energy inside of your body. So I'll be silent for a bit to let you explore and generate pleasure inside of your body. And we'll work with that sexual energy later on. So once you feel that you've generated sexual energy, be curious. How does this energy feel? Is it very clear? Can you feel it really well? Or is it distant? Is it a bit faint? And what qualities does this energy have? Is it hot or cold? Or neutral in temperature? Does it feel heavy or light? Does it feel tingly or oceanic? Is it big or is it small? Does it have a particular color? And where can you feel it? What part of your body? And what other qualities can you detect? Now let the energy, the sexual energy to turn on, become a ball. And you can gather all of the energy in your lower belly. And then let it move down to your perineum, the lowest part of your torso, of your pelvis. And then let that ball of energy move up the back of your body, through your spine, up to the top of your head, and then down the front of your body. And you can do this with your attention. So if you don't really feel the moving of the energy, you can just follow the circle with your awareness, with your attention. So move up the back of the spine to the top of the head and back down the front of the body. And do this circle a couple of times. And then start to reverse the direction. So move the energy up the front of the body and down the back of the body. And do this a couple of times. So now you've circled the energy in 2 different directions. Now you can choose which direction you want to move the energy in. And the directions have different qualities. So if you want to connect with power, with protection, you can go up the back and down the front. And if you want to connect with flow, with surrender, you can move the energy up the front and down the back. And you can make a conscious choice about this, but it could also be the case that the energy really wants to move in a particular way. If that's the case, please follow what the energy wants to do. So experiment with the moving of the energy in different directions. And once it feels enough, let the circle of energy stop in your lower belly. And this is the place where you can collect all of the free-flowing energy. This is your storage place. So invite all of the energy to go to your lower belly, just below the navel. You can also put one hand on your lower belly to really invite the energy there. And store the energy. Your body will know where to find it for later use. And once that feels complete, sit in silence. Breathe. And when it feels enough, you can let go of the golden circle of light. Take a few deep breaths and open up your eyes again. I'm wishing you a wonderful rest of your day.